Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nana Firdaus, and on today's tutorial I will be showing you how to cut this simple hoodie that you can rock alone or attach to your prayer abaya. So for this particular tutorial, you will be needing just 1 yard of your fabric. You can use either plain or patterned fabric for it. Fold your fabric into 2 lengthwise this way. You are going to fold it into 2 and the length is going to be 60 inches. For the width, you use 15 inches. From the opened end, measure 15 inches inwards this way. Then for the length of the hoodie part, you are going to also use 15 inches. So measure 15 inches downwards. So for the width of the remaining part of the hoodie, I'm going to use 10 inches. If you want it to be wider, you can use 12 inches. So you measure 12 inches and I'll keep measuring what I need, which is 10 inches downwards this way. After measuring it, you are going to cut your hoodie out this way. So this is what you are going to have. You are going to curve that 15-inch part into that 10-inch mark that you made earlier, and this is what you are going to have. So to sew it from this point down to this point, you are going to place both parts together with the right sides facing each other, and you will be joining it as shown in the video. You are going to sew it down this curve too. So the next thing you are going to do is you are going to hem the ends of all the raw edges. You are going to hem it, and that is that on how to make this simple hoodie. If you found this tutorial video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, suggestions or tips you would like to share, kindly drop them in the comment section. Have a great day. Ma salam.